Hi, I'm Claire from Plantpassion, and it's the end of April, and that means it's time for us to pot up our dahlias. We sell a lot of dahlia flowers in the summer, and we found here on our chalky soil the best thing to do is to lift our dahlias each year, divide them, which reinvigorates them, pot them up and plant them back in. That's a lot of work, but it does mean that we get really strong, long blooms that last a long time in the vase. And we wait until this time of the year. We don't bother trying much earlier than mid-April, because by now you can start to see the eyes that are coming on the dahlia. And it means that we can now divide up these dahlias and know exactly what it is that we're going to get. Interestingly, different dahlia varieties look different. This one is Dark Spirit, and it's quite small tubers, and so it's quite a compact root. I don't want to split this into too many because each one of these little tubers won't have enough energy for this here in the UK. In this part of the world, we get a long spring. We can't plant these in the ground until the third week of May, and if we wait until that long before we plant them in the ground and they've only got a tiny tuber, we won't get any flowers out of it till September or October, and we would really like lots of flowers from August onwards. So to split the tuber, I get a clean saw, and it's kind of a little bit of just put it in the middle. We've got the eyes there, and I just wants to be a bit rough with it. And if in this case we lose a few of those little tubers, we're not too worried. There you go. And we now have a new tuber there, and probably I could divide this one again. In fact, this one you can have several layers, so all of them have slightly different size and shape tubers. Thank you to Andy at Chop and Flower Farm, who gave me a tuber that I've divided into 18. So that was a quiz question on my Instagram yesterday. So 18 tubers I got that one into. So we're busy potting these up, and then in 4 weeks' time they'll all have grown and we'll plant them back out into the field.